guys, I'm excited to be back here to do another unboxing with you. So I had two diamond paintings on order. One from, what is it now? Oh gosh, Homfun. One from Homfun Factory Store and one from Homfun Official Store, I think. So I thought I ordered them from the same store. I ordered one day and one the next. I was looking for a custom, well, what I wanted a diamond painting of the Disney castle. And I've been looking and looking and looking, haven't found one that I like, so I decided to try to do a custom of that. So I also have that, and then I have another just one that I've ordered from Homefun as well, with Dumbo. So I'm not sure which one this is. I'm hoping it's my custom. I think it is. So yeah, we'll take a peek inside of it, see what's there, and then I'll tell you the details from there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crack into this one. So one was ordered November 3rd, one was ordered November 4th, and today is November 15th. So they both came in like 11 or 12 days. So I'm happy. Like to me, that's pretty good shipping. So I've always found that all of the Homefun stores have offered very, very quick shipping, and the products always come in great shape. Never had a concern. So I'm actually just finishing, I've ordered a couple Homefuns from my mom, and I'm actually just finishing up my first one. So once I'm done, I'm going to do a product review on that for you. But, this is in here tight. So this is just in the standard e-packet bag. The box is in amazing, there we go, in like absolutely amazing condition. There's a mark on there from me cutting the box, but there it is. So it is the Homefun brand. So yeah, it's in great shape. 12 days for delivery. I can't ask for anything more than that. So let's crack into this and see what we've got. So I'm just gonna open it up, and you can see in there we've got the foam roller and the canvas, and the diamonds are beside, which I like. And then the toolkit right there, just a sec. Oh, excuse me. So let's take a peek at the toolkit first. So I have, well, this is new. I didn't get this in my last Homefun package, so I'm going to take a look here. We have the standard white boat, the tweezers, plate of wax, and a light blue squishy. I haven't seen one of those before, so and that fits nice. There we go. So there's the toolkit. Well, this looks good. Just like 2 baggies, which is fine. I don't use those. Okay, let's take a peek at our canvas and our drills here. So here's the canvas. Roped around the foam roller. Yes, this is my custom. So I can see the thumbnail there. It's the Disney Castle. The Disney Castle was actually just renovated last year, and this has the new colors on it. I don't know if you can see there. I don't know how that's gonna work up. Like, it's really, like, that pink came out a lot brighter than the picture that I sent them, but it's still nice. Wow. Okay, let's take a quick peek here. I can tell you, I believe this one here was ordered and pulled it up. Yes, so this one here was ordered November 4th and was shipped I think on the 6th and arrived to me on the 15th. So that's 11 days with 9 days shipping. So there's and then the drills. Wow, look at that pink. That pink is pretty vivid. It caught my eye right there. That's the pink from the castle. So there's our drills. I've never actually, this is my very first custom. So on here, there's no tape or anything holding it, just the elastic. So I'm going to pull these elastics off here, and then we can take a peek at I might just let this relax for a minute before I open it. Oh, these are on there pretty tight. But yeah, the canvas looks like it's in good shape. There's no damage from shipping, so I'm just going to unroll this here. There we go. So our foam roller, canvas. Move this out of the way. Take a peek at the canvas here. Let's try this way. I'm always in such a hurry to unbox these. I keep thinking I should just leave them sitting until I'm actually ready to work on them, but I'm always so excited to look at them. So I love the Homfun canvas. It's so thick and it's so easy to work on. It holds its shape. Definitely by far my favorite. I'd love to find some more stores that use this same canvas so that I can order from some more, but might just be trial and error. But okay, well, let's take a peek at this, you guys. Just gonna open this up here. Looks good. It looks really nice. It's gonna be hard to tell what the image looks like until I start working on this one, I think. Look at that. It's kind of hard to tell it. It's actually the Disney castle, but you can see kind of the bottom of the compass star down there and the walkway in, and then the banners hanging down. It's nice. Take a peek at the symbols here. They look nice and clear. See that? As always, nice and clear. I love their symbols. Yeah, so my plan is we're doing our basement. I just had to do some major structural work in the basement last year, so we're in the process of having it reframed and drywalled, and my son and I both love Disney, so what we're doing is a Disney themed kind of a movie room down there. So my plan is to have a bunch of Disney diamond paintings on the walls, and I wanted to have the castle down there, but it's hard to find a nice picture, especially a newer version of the castle since it's been renovated. Oh, tore that. Hang on a second. Make sure I'm still in my screen here so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, this is going to be nice. This is going to be very, very, very nice. For my first custom, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with this. This is going to be a nice one to work on. That's going to be fun. Looks like there's some, oh dear, there we go. Some areas of confetti in there, but there's also some areas of like solid color, which is going to be nice. Ah, it's slipping back up on me. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's going to be very nice. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited to start this one. All right, so there's the canvas. I'm really happy with that. The canvas is a nice quality. Picture looks nice and clear. The symbols are clear. There is no rivers or bubbles in that canvas. It's a little bit up here, but I think that's just from unrolling it. It looks like that's where it was around the roller the tightest. So, all right, let's take a quick peek at the symbols here that we're working with. So, all right, looks like we've got, I've never seen this one there before. Bunch of letters. Two. Yeah, those look nice and clear and easy to read. The one I'm doing right now has like a 4 and a L or something like that, both dark, and it's hard to read them. So see how many colors we've got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 40 colors, and that's a 40 by 60, so that should be good. So let's just take a quick peek at the drills here. One thing I don't like about Homfun is how they package their drills. They're just kind of all thrown in there. So I'm not going to do an inventory just because I'm going to do that when I'm ready to start the picture. Sorry. All right, so we do have an inventory sheet. It looks like it's been checked. And yeah, exactly 40 colors. looks like my main color. Sorry guys, my camera was, I don't know, it shut off or it ran out of memory or something. Anyway, like I said, I don't want to do a full inventory on this just because time factor, and maybe I'll do it when I kit it up. But anyway, we'll just take a quick peek at some of the drills and see what they look like and make sure our numbers are good. So I'm just going to post them out here. So I have 792. That's a beautiful blue, hey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can see those are squares. Let's see if they'll focus there. So yeah, there's no garbage or anything in there. They look good. So 9 bags of 792. Let's take a peek at our inventory sheet here. 792 is 9 for a total of 1671. So if there's 200 in each bag, I should have 1800, so there's more than enough drills there. Okay, let's take a peek. I really want to look at this pink. This pink has caught my eye here. There's a couple different shades of pink. Oh, there's another one. And there's like a really dark pink there. That's nice. I love they've just repainted the castle, and they changed the color scheme of the castle to a more vivid kind of, I almost find it more cartoony than it was before, but I like it. I'm anxious to go and see the Disney castle. I haven't been there in a couple years, so so let's start. We're gonna take a peek at 553 here. We've got this light purple 3 bags of 553. Here, 553 right here, 3 bags, and 426. So like I'm gonna have more than enough of that one. I'm gonna take one more here. Let's look at 775. That's light green. I'm assuming this is one of the colors that we're gonna find in the sky. This one's different. This the Homfun usually have these the white strip on it. This one doesn't. This one just has the numbers printed on it. But it's sure easy to read. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 775. Oh, 26. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I counted wrong, so those are all there. I'm just going to see what we have, if we have any 310s in this. We do. We have 11 bags of 310. See if I can find those. Here they are. Oh, so I've got 2 big bags instead of 11 little bags. I'm gonna have to check, because that would be about, I think there's 500 in, or is there 1,000 in each one of these? Let's see, 2,075. So looks like, oh, there's one more little bag of 310s, and I should have a total of 2,075. So I might run really close on my 310s, especially if there is any garbage in there. It's hard to tell, but they do look good. But I do, like, I'm working on another Homefun that has the 310s in it, so I will have enough if I need them. So I'm not too concerned. And there's no 939s, and there's no 3865s, which are the other common colors. So yeah, overall, I'm gonna do an inventory on this, but I think everything's here. It looks really good. The colors are just, oh, such Disney colors, you know, like just bright, vivid, nice colors. The pinks, there's lots of blues to work with. Looks like this is, there's a little bit of yellow for the flags. The flags have some gold in them. So there's that, and a little bit of this color. So yeah, it'll be a nice variety to work with. Again, there's my custom So yeah, anyway guys, thanks so much for tuning in to watch my video, and I will probably try to post some progress or a finished completed review of this. So yeah, the Homefun is from, or this is a custom from Homefun. 11 days to get here. It looks like it's complete. Canvas is in great shape. And yeah, excited to get started. Have a great day, guys.